Sustainable architecture is not a new concept. For millennia, civilizations have understood the importance of living in harmony with nature. They crafted buildings that breathed with the environment, minimizing their impact on the earth. This ancient wisdom, passed down through generations, offers valuable lessons for the present and the future. As we grapple with the challenges of climate change and resource depletion, understanding the principles of sustainable architecture becomes ever more crucial. The buildings of our ancestors were not just shelters, but testaments to their ingenuity and respect for the natural world. They understood the delicate balance of ecosystems and the need to live within their limits. Their structures were designed to work with nature, not against it. By studying these ancient practices, we can glean insights into creating a more sustainable future for ourselves and generations to come. Across the globe, ancient cultures developed unique and ingenious methods for sustainable building. In the searing heat of the desert, traditional Iranian architecture featured introverted houses with convex roofs. These designs, combined with thick walls made from locally sourced mud bricks, provided natural insulation against the harsh sun. Conversely, in rain-soaked regions, Iranian homes boasted extroverted designs with sloping roofs to channel water away effectively. Similarly, the ancient Chinese mastered the art of building with bamboo. This rapidly renewable resource, known for its strength and flexibility, formed the backbone of their homes. The lightweight yet durable nature of bamboo made it ideal for constructing earthquake-resistant structures. Additionally, the hollow structure of bamboo allowed for natural ventilation, keeping homes cool in the humid summers. These examples highlight the remarkable ingenuity of ancient builders in adapting their designs to local climates and readily available materials. While ancient practices lay dormant for a period, the late 20th century witnessed a resurgence of interest in sustainable architecture. Growing concerns about environmental degradation and the oil crisis of the 1970s brought the need for eco-conscious building practices to the forefront. Architects and engineers began to look back at traditional methods, incorporating passive heating and cooling systems, natural ventilation, and locally sourced materials into their designs. This renewed focus on sustainability ushered in a wave of innovation in building materials and technologies. Architects explored the use of recycled and recyclable materials, experimented with green roofs and living walls to reduce the urban heat island effect, and incorporated renewable energy sources like solar panels and wind turbines into building designs. The movement towards sustainable architecture gained further momentum with the development of green building rating systems like LEED and BREEAM, which provided a standardized framework for evaluating and certifying environmentally friendly buildings. Section 4. Challenges in a futuristic world, bridging the gap. While we can learn much from the past, applying ancient principles to modern futuristic buildings presents a unique set of challenges. Firstly, the sheer scale and complexity of modern structures often necessitate advanced technologies and materials. Integrating these technologies while maintaining a low environmental footprint requires careful planning and innovative solutions. For instance, the use of smart systems while offering efficiency can also lead to increased energy consumption and electronic waste if not implemented thoughtfully. Secondly, the increasing density of urban environments poses a significant challenge. As cities grow vertically, access to natural light, ventilation, and green spaces becomes limited. Architects must find creative ways to incorporate these elements into their designs, such as vertical gardens, rooftop parks, and light wells that bring natural light into the core of buildings. Balancing the demands of high-density living with the principles of sustainability requires a delicate act of balancing innovation with environmental responsibility. So Section 5, Merging Wisdom with Innovation, a Path Forward. The key to overcoming these challenges lies in merging the wisdom of ancient practices with the ingenuity of modern technology. We must strive to create buildings that are not only visually stunning, but also highly efficient, resilient, and environmentally responsible. This requires a holistic approach that considers the entire life cycle of a building, from the sourcing of materials to its eventual deconstruction and the reuse of its components. One promising avenue is the development of bio-based materials. These materials, derived from renewable sources like bamboo, timber, and mycelium, offer a sustainable alternative to traditional construction materials like concrete and steel. Additionally, advancements in three-dimensional printing technology open up exciting possibilities for creating complex and customized building components with minimal waste. By embracing such innovations, we can reduce the environmental impact of construction and move towards a more circular economy. Section 6. Conclusion towards a sustainable future. The buildings we construct today will shape the world of tomorrow. It is our responsibility to ensure that these structures are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also environmentally sound and socially responsible. By learning from the sustainable practices of our ancestors and merging them with the latest technological advancements, we can create a built environment that exists in harmony with nature. Embracing this path is not just an option, it is an imperative for a sustainable future.